Hey there, welcome back. Wanted to share a quick shop update with you and let everybody know that I am now on Facebook. I have finally set up a Facebook page for Nick's Transmissions. So I know you must be thinking, like, dude, you serious? You've been on YouTube for a little over 3 years now, and according to you, you've been doing transmissions for 10, and only now you decide to set up a social media presence? You must have been living in a cave all this time. So if that's what you're thinking, to be honest with you, you're absolutely right. When it comes to social media, I have definitely been living in a cave. I've always had an aversion to it, never really took to it, never really had that warm and fuzzy feeling about it. You know, had a lot of privacy concerns and still do. Data integrity and all that, plus all the horror stories and data breaches that you keep reading about or hearing about, happening to social media companies and such, information getting compromised. So it's always been something that I stayed away from, but let's face facts. It's 2024, and if you're a business or a company, especially a small business, you need to have a social media presence to continue to scale and expand your business, or to continue to sustain your business at levels that you're comfortable with. And that's one of the primary reasons why I decided to get on the platform. So I figure I can use it to grow my business. I don't want to get too big or anything like that. I mean, for those that aren't aware, I don't know if I ever explicitly mentioned this, but I do work out of my home. This is my home-based shop. And so I can only do so much as a one-man band, but I can certainly do enough to where I can support myself and have a nice, comfortable living without overextending, or overstretching what my capabilities are. So anyway, I have a link in the description, so if you'd like, feel free to send me a friend request and join the page. I will be providing updates to all my customers via the Facebook page for those that have Facebook accounts themselves. Additionally, I'll be posting short videos and clips that will not be placed on YouTube simply because they'd be completely redundant, and also, for the most part, customer specific, so that I can keep my customers informed as to the progress on their rebuilds. The other reason I wanted to set it up is to network, right? I mean, I'm in business to do transmissions, so it's a good idea to establish connections with various stakeholder types within the industry, suppliers, other primary tech shops, customers, potential customers, and participate in the Facebook marketplace. So, you can reach out to me via Facebook. You can just, friend me and then send me a direct message if you would like me to rebuild your transmission. The one thing I would ask is that you not send me questions or asks for tech support. I would prefer to keep all of that content, exchange, and dialogue in YouTube. YouTube is a great place for sharing and transferring knowledge and, getting information out there to, as wide of an audience as possible, so that folks can, go there and learn what they want to learn about and, solve problems, find fixes, etc. So I would prefer to keep all tech support related dialogue and exchanges on YouTube. And this goes too for internet forums. I'm moving away from personalized tech support on the internet forums, where folks would send me DMs or PMs asking me, either technical questions or questions for parts or recommendations or advice, or, about one thing or another related to transmissions. I would prefer to keep all of that dialogue and all of those Q&A and whatnot in the publicly viewable portions of the internet forum. So, given thread in a subform related to the topic, and for me it's always going to be transmissions. So those are my two asks. I hope I'm not offending you by making that request, but at the same token, I want to make sure that all the information that's exchanged is viewable publicly and can reach as many folks as possible, and doing things kind of DM wise defeats the purpose of having these open forums and or Facebook or YouTube. So anyway, I just wanted to get that out there, let you know that I am available. If you would like me to rebuild your transmission, just go ahead and shoot me a DM. I am shipping transmissions as well, so I started doing that last month, and I'm not shipping all the units I work on, but I am shipping 4L60Es, 4L80Es, 700R4s, TH350s, and 400s, and some Ford and Dodge units such as your 4-speeds, your 3-speeds, 904, 727s. The more advanced later model units, I am not yet shipping those because I prefer to do the fast adapt relearns to make sure that everything runs correctly and no problems, or if there are problems, I want to be on site to address and fix them. So anyway, that's it. That's all I have to say. Wanted to share that with you. So like I said, feel free to reach out to me, or send me a friend request if you'd like to join the page. And like I said, I will be doing videos and posting them to Facebook that will not be on YouTube, mostly short clips, either about one particular topic or another, or just a customer update, whether it be a status update or showing them something that I found on Teardown or something of that nature. So there will be some information there that won't be on YouTube. All right, thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day as always. So glad to have you on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm always putting out videos from GM, Ford, and Dodge transmissions, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.